What's up, guys? Have you ever had a massive project completely ruined just because you ran out of material right in the middle of a print? Welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are finding out exactly why this high-capacity spool is considered the best 3D printing filament for busy makers and professionals. If you need amazing print quality and an endless supply of plastic, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Anycubic 5 kg PLA 3D printing filament, you will quickly see why it is an absolute game-changer for passionate makers and professional designers alike. When it comes to turning your digital designs into beautiful physical objects, the material you choose to use is just as important as the machine itself. Anycubic has built a massive reputation in the 3D printing community over the years, and this huge spool of PLA filament shows exactly why they remain a top choice. Instead of dealing with tiny standard plastic spools that constantly need replacing, this giant supply gives you the ultimate freedom to create continuously without any annoying interruptions. Let's talk about the actual material composition first. PLA stands for polylactic acid, and it is easily one of the most popular and widely used materials in the entire 3D printing industry due to its amazing ease of use. The Anycubic PLA filament is made entirely from eco-friendly materials, which is absolutely fantastic for users who want a more sustainable and environmentally conscious solution in their workshop. Because it is carefully crafted from eco-friendly renewable resources, it feels great to use for all of your daily crafting needs. However, being eco-friendly does not mean you have to sacrifice structural performance at all. This wonderful material features highly stable chemical properties. That means it can easily print at relatively lower temperatures while still giving you incredibly strong layer adhesion. When your individual layers bond together perfectly, your final 3D model becomes structurally sound and looks absolutely amazing with a beautiful, smooth surface quality. Now, let's discuss the absolute standout feature of this specific Anycubic product, which is the massive 5 kg spool size. If you have ever created large prop designs, custom cosplay armor, or multiple functional parts for a complex robotics build, you know exactly how stressful it is to watch a small spool slowly run out of plastic. You constantly have to pause the machine, heat up the nozzle, swap in a brand new roll, and just hope the fresh layers bond correctly when the machine starts moving again. With a 5 kg supply, those frustrating headaches are completely gone forever. This high-capacity design is absolutely perfect for extra-long printing sessions, continuous production runs, or making giant seamless models in a single go. Small workshops, independent designers, and busy hobbyists will truly love having a consistent, uninterrupted material supply without having to constantly manage and monitor those tedious spool changes. You just load the filament once and let your printer do all the hard work for days on end. Accuracy and consistency are totally crucial when creating detailed parts, and that is exactly where the precise 1.75 mm filament diameter comes into play. Anycubic manufactures this filament with incredibly tight tolerances and extreme precision, because the overall thickness of the plastic string is so perfectly controlled from start to finish. It provides extremely smooth feeding straight into your extruder setup. When the feeding mechanism is perfectly smooth, you get incredibly stable extrusion across the entire print bed. This means your machine is always laying down the exact right amount of plastic at the correct moment. A carefully controlled diameter also drastically reduces the dreaded risk of nozzle clogging, allowing for much smoother prints and vastly improved dimensional accuracy on every single project. Compatibility is another massive win for the Anycubic 5 kg PLA 3D printing filament. Because it utilizes the highly standard 1.75 mm size, it is going to work perfectly with almost any FDM 3D printer currently on the market today. Naturally, it works flawlessly with Anycubic brand machines like the Anycubic Cobra S1C and the Anycubic K3C models. Pairing it directly with these specific machines guarantees a highly optimized, hassle-free experience right out of the box. Anycubic focuses heavily on maintaining stable quality during their manufacturing process, helping your machine achieve incredibly clean layers and highly refined details. It is highly suitable for creating quick engineering prototypes, lovely decorative models for your desk, functional replacement house parts, educational school projects, and wild creative designs. Its overall printing stability makes it a dependable choice for total beginners exploring 3D printing and experienced users working on complex geometries. Finally, getting your hands on this giant spool is fast and incredibly easy. Anycubic distributes this awesome filament directly through their United States and European Union warehouses. This clever logistics setup allows for much faster shipping times and easier access for international customers everywhere, so you can start printing your massive projects sooner. Ready to take your massive creative 3D printing projects to the very next level? Check the price link in the description to secure this giant spool for your own setup. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more amazing gear videos. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Keep on creating, and I will see you in the next one.